Hello students, in this video we will talk about output devices. In our previous two videos we have talked about the input device and the CPUs and the storage devices. Now this is the last topic of this chapter, output devices. So first of all, what is output device? Output devices are that devices which helps you to show the output produced by the computer to you, or you can say to the user. Okay, let's see what it's given in your book. An output device accepts data from the computer and translates them into a suitable form for use by the user. Let's discuss about various commonly used output devices. So basically we have three types of output devices, that are monitors, printers and speakers. Okay. So first we will talk about monitors. I think all of you have seen these type of things in your schools, or you can say in your house, offices, everywhere. So these are called your monitors. Okay, let's see. The most common computer output device, it is the monitor. Monitors create a visual display for the user to view the processed data. They come in a variety of screen sizes and visual resolutions. There are three common types of computer monitors. Cathode ray tube, this first picture is of cathode ray tube, CRT monitors. Second one is liquid cathode display, and you can say the proper name is liquid crystal display. It is not cathode, it is crystal, it is misprinted here. Liquid crystal display, short form LCD. And third one, LED, light emitting diode. These are the three types of monitors available in the market, and you can say the CRTs are now outdated. I think all of you have seen the televisions, old televisions in your that have one big backside, that are called your CRT monitors. Now in present scenario we have LCDs and LED monitors in our home, offices, and you can say everywhere. These type of CRT monitors are outdated. Okay, so monitors are mainly used to display the output to the user. The data that is processed by the CPU will be given to these, and they will display the data to you. Okay, so here CRT, cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display and light emitting diode, these three short forms are important. Full forms you have to learn: light emitting diode, liquid crystal display and cathode ray tube. Okay, now extra information: the earliest CRTs were colorless and were used primarily in black and white televisions. The first commercial color CRT was produced in 1954. So the first commercial CRT monitor is developed, or you can say produced, in 1954. Before that we have, you can say, black and white TVs. But in India, if you talk about till 1980s 90s, we have black and white CRTs, because colored CRTs are very, you can say, costly. That's why we have till 1990s we have CRTs that are black and white, colorless. Okay, so learn this properly. Next one is printer. Printer produces a hard copy output of processed data such as documents and photographs. The computer sends the image data to the printer, which then physically recreates the image on paper. There are many types of printer, but the most used ones are of three types, that are dot matrix, inkjet and laser printer. These are the three printers that are available in the market and mostly used. Okay, so first, what is printer? It will help you simply. If anyone asks you what is printer, so you have to say printer helps you to create the hard copy data from soft copy data. Means they help you to transfer or translate your digital data on any of the paper or any other medium. Okay, basically they are used to create this. Okay, now first we will talk about dot matrix printer. If you have seen on the, you can say that ticket booking counters, railway ticket booking counters, or on that your gas booking agencies, basically these are the live examples that are using dot matrix printer. Whenever these type of printers print anything, they create sound like kad 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 kad, aise like this. Okay, so Basically, we had two types of printers: impact printer and non-impact printers. Impact printer are those printers which create sound whenever they do any printing, and non-impact will not produce any sound. Okay, so this dot matrix printer is an example of your impact, and inkjet and laser are the examples of non-impact printers. Okay, so first of all, what is dot matrix printer? Dot matrix printer is character printer that prints one character at a time. It forms characters and images using patterns of dots. Dot matrix printer has a print head that moves horizontally across the paper. It was first introduced in 1970s. Okay, so these type of printers can print one character at a time. That's why they are, you can say, very slow printers as compared to this one and laser printer. Okay, and they form the characters into the form of, you can say, they create with the help of pins. So the images are also not, you can say, very good quality, but they are used only in the places where we have to show data to a limited creativity, or you can say clearly. Okay, that's why I told you they are used only on mainly two things, two places: railway ticket bookings and gas agencies. Okay, and they print only one character at a time. They are very slow. Next one is inkjet printer. Now, inkjet printer forms characters and images by spraying small drops of ink on a paper. Its print head contains tiny nozzles that can be heated up with a few microseconds, and then the ink vaporizes and ejects through the nozzles and places in front of the print head. These printers give high quality results and work faster than dot matrix printers. These are the most popular among home-based computer users. Okay, so in this type of printers, we use liquid ink, and whenever we want to do any of the printing, the nozzles are heated up for few microseconds, and then ink come out in the form of vapors, and then they are arranged, or you can say they are put in the form of they are front of print heads. By this, the printers do the printing on the paper. Nowadays, if you see, these printers are useful because they are not much expensive. Their printing cost is not much expensive, but their print quality is very good. That's why most home-based users are using this. Okay, and last one is your laser printer, the most, you can say, costliest printers, and their print quality is very fine. That's why they are being used in the offices till now. So laser printer are faster than inkjet printers. They print one page at a time. They contain a laser beam source, a multi-sided mirror, a photoconductive drum and toner. Laser printers produce very high quality output because they form characters by very tiny ink particles. In these type of printers, the ink is used in the form of dry powder. And whenever we give any of the print, first of all, laser beam source activate the photoconductive drum. From that, this toner means the ink is called toner in the printer, in this laser printer. So whenever the beam source is put on this photoconductive drum, the toner come out of that drum, and then multi-sided mirrors will arrange that powder according to the printing position. And whenever the paper comes inside, this is the paper, whenever the paper goes inside of this printer, this multi-sided mirror will put the image on that paper, and the printing will be done by very tiny ink particles called toner. Okay, so this is a, you can say, most used printer in the world. Extra information: in 1953, the first high-speed printer was developed by Remington Rand for use on the UNIVAC computer. Okay, and last topic of this lesson is speakers. I think all of you have seen the speakers. Speakers produced sound output generated by the computer. The output heard through the speakers is also known as the Soft copy output. These days, speakers contain magnetic shielding and most importantly are self-powered. Okay. Now, headphone is also an output device which is most commonly used by the people to hear voice. So you can say speaker and headphone both are of or both are used to create the output in the form of sound. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. In the next video, we will finish with the chapters exercise, back exercise. So till then, you have to watch this video properly so that we can do the exercise. Okay. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share to others so that they can also take help from this video. Okay. Thank you.